Hello, dear friends. In the first unit, we are going to talk about a reading skill called skimming. At the beginning, we are going to address its definition, then some tips to use this skill, and finally, a brief example. So, let's start. Skimming may be defined as a technique to read a text very quickly in order to get an overall idea about its content. It means the reader is not going to read the whole text word by word. In this way, if you want to use this skill in your reading practices, you should follow these tips. First, look at the pictures, diagrams, or illustrations in text. They might help you to understand the main topic of the passage. Second, read the titles and subheading to know what the text is about. Third, try to read the specific parts of the paragraphs. It means you have to read the first and the last sentences of each paragraph. Fourth, pay attention to the keywords. And finally, don't focus on the details, just have a glance at the reading. Let's check an example. Choose the statement that best matches the following paragraph. Now read the first and last two sentences from the paragraph and find the answer. Now choose the statement that best matches the previous paragraph. And the answer is number 1. The story is about a girl who lives with her relatives in a tiny house in the countryside. Did you get it? Now you can do more exercises in the following section so as to practice skimming. See you later!
Created using Powtoon.